In this video, we're going to learn how to back up your Steno files and email them to your teacher. So we're going to go into the Archive and Retrieval wizard. We're going to back up files. And we're going to back up user files, because these will be designated user files. And next. Now you're going to find a file that you want to send to your teacher. In this case, I'm selecting this one from a while ago. And you see it's marked asterisk period STN, STN being the Steno file only. If you are instructed to take a job that you have done in real time, then there will be many more files that go with it, including the Steno file. Okay, so now we are going to click Next and save it to the desktop. That's the fastest and easiest way to find it. And then click Finish. It's going to go through and back it up. In this case, because it has a WAV file, it's a little bit bigger than what you guys would experience. It tells you it's been backed up successfully. You click on OK. Would you like to do another? Nope, not unless you have another to do. And then you would go through the same routine. So I'm going to say no. Now I'm going to open up my email. And I'm going to send this to teacher. So whatever her email, whatever your teacher's email address is. And then in my case, there's a button up here. Usually it's a paperclip, and it'll say attach, or just a paperclip, or just attach. So you're going to click on that, and we're going to go to the desktop. And in most cases, if you're using Windows 10, if you're not at the desktop, over here is your little quick banner bar here. Here's your quick access at the top, which means these are where you go to a lot. And then you go down a little bit more and you see desktop and you select it. Here's my file. And I'm going to select open. And that will attach. And then you hit send. You can put whatever notes down here you want. And that's all there is to backing up your Steno files and emailing them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.